Ludwig van Beethoven was a German composer and a pianist, the most admired composer in the history of Western music. Late 18th century was the start of French Revolution. When the poor rose up, it was the climax of years of starvation and deprivation under the French rulers. The people wanted to improve their economic fortunes and to end the wars. Napoleon was doing a lot of work against French rulers and was winning people's hearts. Beethoven was also deeply impressed by Napoleon's efforts. He believed that Napoleon embodied the democratic and anti-monarchical ideals of the French Revolution. He wrote a symphony inspired by that spirit, which spoke not only to Beethoven's heart but also to the hearts of general public. It had been called by Napoleon's last name the Bonaparte Symphony. But instead of improving, France descended further into corruption and chaos and ushered in the rise of a new dictator, Napoleon himself. Beethoven greeted that news with fury. His hero had become a tyrant, and he would not dedicate a symphony to such a person. In disgust, he tore that title page and instead named it as Eroica Symphony, to celebrate the memory of a great man, referring to the earlier democratic Napoleon, that idealistic young hero who now only lived in the memory of everyone. Guys, today we are talking about Beethoven. We all have heard his name and know so little about him. Ludwig van Beethoven was a German composer and pianist, the most admired composer in the history of Western music. His first major orchestral work, the First Symphony, appeared in 1800, and during this period his hearing began to deteriorate. It is said that he used to drink a lot of wine, and during 19th century, lead was added into the wine for sweetness, which had a side effect of deafness. He was almost completely deaf within 14 years. But he still did not stop composing. He composed some beautiful symphonies while being deaf, and it is said that he imagined the notes and created his work. His most famous symphony, 3, by the name of Eroica Symphony, was celebrated by the masses during French Revolution. Eroica means heroic and was grander than any of his other symphonies. But the question is, how was his music different? Keep in mind that before this time, music was made just to make you feel good, only for entertainment purposes, and it had no other purpose. Also, it was ranked the lowest in the art forms after painting, sculpture, literature. So it had very little value, and it wasn't considered to express all sorts of emotions or storytelling. So when Eroica Symphony came out, it gave a radical new idea, like a literary masterpiece. It provoked people's emotions, it overwhelmed them. That concept was the seed to Romantic Revolution, of which Beethoven was one of the earliest believers. Beethoven was a perfectionist. He did not compose for his contemporaries but for future generations. People used to be outraged by his music because it evoked their emotions. It made them feel something. It poked their hearts. That concept was very new for that time. But he was a pioneer and inspired generations of musicians after it. Hope you all enjoyed. This is Art Collective. I am your host Sabah, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye!